squishy challenge. Show your most beautiful squishy. Cause look at it. Just take a second to look at it. Dope. Now that's beautiful. Show your most ugliest squishy. Show your most prettiest squishy. Show your squishy that probably nobody else has. This and this. Because I made those two. Show your most basic squishy. I think that's my most basic squishies. This one we got like tomato. And these are basic. And show your most favorite squishy. Wait. Don't put bananas in them. Put yourself and your squishy that you love. Just take a minute.
What got your attention?
These are all my squishies that I love. Bye.